Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. The name of the days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now repeat again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thanks for watching. For more video, subscribe our channel.